For 2 decades, the internet economy was built on a simple transaction. Brands competed for a single measurable event, the click. Now, an answer layer sits between the user and the web. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and AI overviews ingest the contents of a page and synthesize a response directly inside the search interface. When the user's journey terminates at the AI summary, the traditional incentive to visit a brand's website disappears. To remain visible in this environment, a brand has to stop optimizing for traffic and start engineering its content specifically to be cited by the model. Large language models are indifferent to marketing pros. Survival requires a digital footprint that acts as a collection of raw, extractable data points. When an AI assistant retrieves information, it uses a process called retrieval-augmented generation, scanning the live web to anchor its response in current facts. However, legacy site architectures, heavy with JavaScript and complex plugins, often create parsing errors for AI crawlers, leading to timeouts or incomplete data extraction. Small Factory 5 addresses this technical bottleneck with an ultra-lean, static-first architecture. It's a build designed to give search bots and AI crawlers zero-friction access to page content. Before a model can synthesize your expertise, your website's physical architecture must allow the machine to ingest that information without error. To be liftable, content must first be citable. Models scan for discrete declarative claims, which means the most valuable information should be written as standalone sentences rather than buried in long paragraphs. This requires a shift towards conversational alignment. Instead of targeting fragmented keyword strings, the content must directly match the natural language questions a technical buyer asks an assistant. Trust is the final input. Because an LLM stakes its own credibility on its answer, it prioritizes authority signals, named credentials, and first-hand operational details that prove the source is a genuine expert. When a claim is extractable, aligned with user intent, and backed by visible expertise, it becomes the high-confidence choice for the model to repeat. Generative engines are not looking for nuance. They are looking for the most direct, authoritative answer they can verify. Reliability also depends on factual density. By replacing vague adjectives with hard specifications, units, and measurable data, you provide the model with grounding facts that are difficult to hallucinate. A single sentence packed with technical specs provides an AI model with more usable information than paragraphs of generic marketing copy. This data is organized through structured clarity. Using clean heading hierarchies and JSON LD schema removes ambiguity about the relationship between different facts. While high density provides the raw information, this machine-readable structure provides the map the AI uses to parse it with precision. Implementing this framework builds a cross-source validation infrastructure across your brand's digital presence. When generative engines find consistent, structured facts corroborated across multiple platforms, it increases the model's confidence score in your data, making it more likely to be synthesized as truth. This requires a change in focus. Visibility is no longer a matter of chasing traffic volume. It is a matter of becoming the most verifiable source of information in your field. Traditional SEO tactics like backlink volume and keyword density provide diminishing returns when the primary reader is an AI seeking ground truth. The organizations that remain visible in an AI-driven search landscape will be those that treat their content as highly engineered, verifiable data for the machines to use.